Mauritius, an island nation known for its breathtaking beauty and vibrant culture. But when faced with serious health challenges, many Mauritians are exploring advanced medical treatments beyond their shores. For those confronting degenerative diseases, genetic disorders, or autoimmune conditions, traditional treatments may not always offer the desired relief. India has emerged as a global leader in stem cell therapy, providing hope and healing to international patients, including those from Mauritius. These advanced medical centers offer a range of stem cell treatments tailored to individual needs, addressing various medical conditions with cutting-edge technology. Beyond the state-of-the-art infrastructure, patients benefit from personalized care, ensuring a comfortable and supportive environment during their treatment journey. Affordability is another significant advantage. Stem cell therapy in India is often more cost-effective compared to other countries, making it an attractive option without compromising on quality.